Squats are an excellent bodyweight exercise that anyone can do inside or outside their home. You start by standing in an upright position with feet shoulder width apart. Stretch your arms in front of you to maintain balance with your feet firm on the ground. Lower your hips until your thighs are parallel to the ground in a position, like sitting on a chair. Engage your core and keep your stance straight with your chest up and your head looking forward. The correct squats are performed using your body weight with proper form and range of motion that keeps your knees behind your toes. In this video, we will discuss what happens to your body if you do 100 squats every day. Number 1. Practical Fitness Challenge. Performing 100 squats every day is a practical workout because it does not require too much space, time, or equipment. You can do squats in your living space at any time. It does not affect your schedule, even traveling to far-off places. It demands motivation and dedication, and you witness noticeable changes to your body composition without skipping meals or changes in your current fitness routine. Number 2. Burn calories. Squat is an excellent choice to burn calories. According to a study, one moderate intensity squat burns 0.32 calories. On average, doing normal intensity 100 squats every day helps you burn around 32 calories. The increased intensity or speed can increase the rate of burning calories. They require a lot of energy to perform, resulting in a speed-up metabolism. Number 3. Multiple muscle involvement. Squats target the core and help in building muscle mass. It works on most of the large lower body muscles and a few upper body muscles. The muscle groups in which squats work include abs, glutes, quads, obliques, hamstrings, inner thighs, and calves. The involvement of these muscles depends upon different variations of squats. It is a perfect workout if you don't have much time to strengthen or train more than one group of muscles. Number 4. Increased strength. The 100 squats challenge can be achieved in completed or broken sets or reps for beginners. Everyday squats bring a new level of accomplishment during your workout session. The deeper you squat, the harder the workout. As you lower your body, the hamstrings and quadriceps work together to push you up. Squats help increase muscular endurance and improve strength, stability, and balance. Number 5. Improved flexibility. Your muscles, ligaments, and tendons of your knees become less flexible with aging. You flex and stretch the knee and ankle joints during squatting, which lubricates them and fuels the oxygen supply to these areas, improving blood flow to these joints. Doing 100 squats every day may help slow the rate of stiff joints and limber you up. It assists in making everyday activities easier while reducing the risk of injury from doing basic tasks such as climbing stairs, lifting objects, sitting down, or getting up from a chair. Number 6. Tones lower body. People with fat thighs can benefit from doing 100 squats every day. They target the glutes and inner thigh muscles that shape up your legs and butt. They are incredibly beneficial to gain excellence in sports like running, football, soccer, and basketball because they work the muscles in the legs and tone your lower body. Since your buttocks become uplifted and firm with regular squatting. When you combine squatting with stretching and mobilizing, it contributes to an efficient posture and improved balance. Number 7. Better athletic performance. Squatting is the best exercise to intensify athletic performance, since it targets the core, and a strong core means better stability. Squatting enhances the mobility of hips and ankles, as it reinforces the activation of hip extensor muscles, which leads to robust movements during an athlete's jumps or knee-hip extension. Number 8. Better blood circulation. Stretching and flexing during squats help boost blood flow. Doing 100 squats is a robust strength training exercise that increases your heart rate and increases blood circulation, leading to ultimately better cardiovascular health.